Hi there. Welcome to my channel. Get ready for the quiz. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And do comment the right answer if you know. 1. What does CPU stand for? A. Central Processing Unit. B. Computer Processing Unit. C. Central Processing Utility. D. Computer Processing Utility. The correct answer is a Central Processing Unit. Which company developed the Windows operating system? A. Google. B. Apple. C. Microsoft. D. Amazon. The correct answer is Microsoft. What is the Internet's primary communication protocol? A. TCP/IP. B. HTTP. C. SMTP. D. FTP. The correct answer is TCP/IP. Which type of computer is portable and can be used on a lap? A. Desktop. B. Laptop. C. Palm top.